mulai pi baro syakatup Khubor jungi kedan Bosco Media Network. Kemat ki bakongsan mentaka singi kilong. Ka Kongres kamtre banyate lok bat kanu ka sanhima sima ha Meghalaya shua ka MLA election. Bitaru MLA uba adil ber nongrum bam kentu bi ha ka komiti penkin ria iki basong basa hatem yo maulong. Penong ka Khasi Department jong ka North Eastern Hills University ya ka workshop halor pakhang hikai kumno bandang ya kapten Khasi nak banta ki bamde ki Khasi ban an penong ka Meghalaya Talent Search Organization ya ka jingpen isap penipong North East Specially Able Got Talent Season 1 ba mentang ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakham bania ka Kongres ha Meghalaya kanam tre banyate lok bat kanu ka seng san hima sima hashwa jo ka MLA election habakran hagila pathai Khubor u president jo ka MPCC ka Meghalaya bat udukhot jo ka yeng dor bar thau an lok sabha uba Vincent Pala ulaong baka jingate lok bat ki we ki seng san hima sima kan penong ka seng jong u bakan haban kongu kat kum ka jingalam jong kite ki seng balaya te lok.
The ICC will always consult the state leaders before taking a decision. This is a big decision. But as far as we in MPCC, we are not in favor of, not only with AITC or in any other parties, also we are not in favor of tying up with other parties. And moreover, many of our candidates, we already indicated to them that they should fight the election. And especially from the block level, some of the blocks already made a resolution that this candidate should be there, this candidate should be there. So I think we are not in favor of tying up with any party. So what Dr. Mukul has said, I don't know that he has said on behalf of his party, but our party, we don't have any intention of tying up with any other party.
Ka Boundary Coordination Committee jo ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka hima Khasi basakta ha ka jingpen bet put baningkong ha ka snibaar kila shem ya karai ban ai mukot duma ya kata ka jing soy MOU ha pedeng ka Meghalaya bat asang habakran bagira pathai Khubor hadin ka jingalang udu khot jong ka Coordination Committee uba PNCM uba deiru unong yalam kaliang persha uya thu uba kani karai lashem hadin ka jingalang bat kinong sensyar hima badru ka KHADC hapo ka jingalam jong uba jambor war ubari executive member uba pet ya ka elaka
issue the boundary committee has constituted a coordination committee to be headed by the EM in charge elaka ba jambor myself as the member of the coordination committee along with the 5 HIMA which are affected under this first phase of the MOU signed between the two states. We had entrusted to the coordination committee to discuss all the relevant issues and necessary steps to be taken up at the same time to report to the boundary committee for a final approval before we move to the court. I think very soon after the coordination committee sit and recommend to the boundary committee, I think as soon as possible, maybe I can say at the earliest, we will file this petition to any court as suggested, if suggested by the coordination committee.
UMDC Congress Kamauhati Constituency uba Charles Marngar ulaong baka sorkar jela hadu menta kampat pelat ya kabaha pisa ba ka sorkar pedeng ban pen bahai ki jaka sumarnong pang bapher ha uku jo ki district council shu ulay thuru baka sorkar pedeng nadu ubanai nai weng kala pelat ya ka pisa hendrai na kalyang ka sorkar jela na ki daw bamla bantep kampat pelat hadu menta
tri jongka nika pipi ke jongi kabangidon haka liang ite Ngau ba kadai ka banta jongi kadai ka hok ka jongi bat ngihat bantok so chief minister ngin ai gopi so CM bat so minister jongka district council affairs DCA kata kadai ka bang kwa pau kini ko por bat ngi persha i ka jingle jongka sarkar pi kini ka sarkar ka jongi mat barbor ka penbor ba yangi bangin haban lech ka anjepi ka penbor ba yangi ni pa ya ki we ki bantaro meneng ngi keren ni ka kam boundary dispute Penbor yang iban lek syakut, but what ya ke kam pisah tengkaru ka beri ka hak jong ka council ka jongi. Iman kani ka state government ka jongi ka kuat ban lek syakut. Kuat ban lek ka an. Bat ngas tu sai ba kumala ongi phi mane kani ka dei ka banta ka bha ka jongi kamla dalile ko state government kamla ban kam trai ye kani ko panmang ye ki autonomous council ki badi po Meghalaya ka jongi ka bamut mtang ye ka Khasi Hills autonomous district council ye ka Jan Hills autonomous district council ye ka Garo Hills autonomous district council bad ye ka Khasi Hills autonomous district council ita ide kindiat imam ko an panshai lor kani nagaleng ka jongi ni hapan pangkre ye ka jing tho so chief minister
udah khot ke yeng dor bar thau an ke Meghalaya uba Adelbert nongrum ula penpau ke jing bitar jong u ke sarkar MDA ke ba amsham la kan thop ye u haka komiti ban penkin ria ye kitu ki ba shong basa hathem yo maulong ha Shillong uba nongrum ula keno abakadon AA shalendet ba ke sarkar kale kumni namar ba ke MLA election kalajan
community wala dagani ke government ke ba la sideline yang ai bon ki banta jong ki issue khamtam ki badai barkani ka constituency ki jonga ke ba solingo kalong don you shall that there must be something hidden agenda ke ba du ko baslang ki khlam include lanya banong kum u dokhot jong ni ka HLC ke bala yalam dai deputy chief minister ke ba na solingo kani ki ke ba penhun dah kata condition dah kata kendon ke ba kibu kini harijan banong ba babaro ki laispa sau puar settlers ki ba shong basa ante ki de ban yo dah kawai pak jaka ke bagi demand manta ban bu khmat ke government ke ba khawpot ke government ke ba gem soft government ba jom jala ki de masotu ba ke NPP headed by NPP this present government ke dai ban shim ke blame ba ke ban mat du punishment namare ka border ul dia ya kani ka pedeng joni ka sor matala ya kani ka harijan ke ba nitip ya ka thami molong ke shong ni parlo harijan ila themu ya ka bande ani galanti ka bangam tip ndai jingsha ka jing themu kolong good intention na ka bantaban develop iti area na ka bantaban di conscious ya Shillong but mata south nam tam kadai ga NPP government headed by NPP but hibai ru beran pok NPP hidi ban syam na ka blame kan lo jing suffer ki ba abri concession tanah ka daw ki bargit ki khanglti banya naida kani ka issue ru paken weng ka bargit kemla naida paken chef fikir kemla
ka Khasi department jaka North Eastern Hills University rengkat ka jinga trailang bat ka Hindi department kala penlong ka workshop pasisngi halor ka phang hikai kumno banang ya ka ktien Khasi da kitu ki bamdei ki Khasi ka jing thmu jaka ne ka long ban penslor ya ka jing kran ya ka ktien Khasi hapadeng ki nong penya ki nong hikai bat ki samla pule jaka nehu habakran hakani ka sni u vice chancellor ka North Eastern Hills University u professor PS Shukla ulaong baka national education policy ka penslor ya ka jing puli ya ki ktien bakran de kinong India bat kumju ru ya ki ktien ki bakran hakidong bat kithan u Dr. Mar Bhador Khamdet wen kinong hikai ka Khasi department ulaong bakani ka program kani rab kitu ginong tre ki bamde ki Khasi bakinna banekran bat yes no thu bat ki samla pule kanehu
language communication platform in the name. Really, I feel proud to be present here. The head of the department of Khasi language, because you have the capacity. You have already the Khasi department, Garo department, Hindi department, linguistic department. And in the country, only few universities having such kind of facilities. And now can take initiative in the leadership of Professor S. Dakar. Really, I am very happy. She has already started the work in this area. I hope in the future we will able to make a different kind of environment in the campus of NEU. And students will also feel better to share their views in the local languages from one student to other student.
Ka Meghalaya's talent search organization kan penlong ka jingpen isap pen ipong North East Specially Able Got Talent Season 1. Ya kani ka program la kershan ka District Social Welfare Office East Khasi Hills District Shillong Government of Meghalaya. Kani ka jinga ko pen isap kan long online da ka jing pha iki video. Play online registration bakun thub ya ko audition round hadu ka artari ujamang arjar arpuar hakapor khandai baji men step hadu ka khandri tari ujamang arjar arpuar hakapor khandai baji men mit ya ki nong job bawan ningkong an ai khatsan hajar tengka nong job baar shipo hajar tengka ba nong job balai an ai hindo hajar tengka
hadin jong ka Meghalaya's Got Talent ngiyo iba buon kini ki bapli ki pidur di people with disabilities ki wan banyashim banta hapo Meghalaya's Got Talent te hadin jong ka season 1 ngi perkhat ba ngatrai kan bah lada ngile ya ka special competition jong ka Meghalaya namanta jong ki people with disabilities kajing thungo ka long ban encourage ban I'm in same ya ki talent nama hap ngilap ba haki people with disabilities they have got special talents and haka MGSAT season 1 ngilap ba kidon ki painters kidon ki dancers kiba mi osngo ka score where they can dance to the beat and the rhythm just by their instinct you can say, and they are very talented. They ki artist kiton visual art kiton ki kubo api kinong wai kinong shot but kum ta ter te kede ke kum si benta ban slur yaki bakin la ban yo benta lang haka society
Hakabayade baka thong jaka sarkar ban kente ka puli puthi katkum ka jugjing start ba menta hene ka sngi la sedang ban sa me kitablet shaki khana school ba puli haki kerdan high secondary school jaka West Janta Hills district dau MLA ka second Jowai constituency uba wailat miki Shillong kini kitablet balasan kide lengba ka scheme digital learning aids MTAPs jong usnam arhajar arpuwe hadu usnam arhajar arpuar barki khana school balayo pediang kide ki ba puli class 12 mentau usnam
ngakan mo dami por lumun chua bonsin ijo pure kita itu iba tholan ni napa iba endam ni ibu kot pure ni handre ni ijo to ka ni membi man ne ba le I hakman ba I one step ahead hakman ba I kuman advance hay won kam mele mong ba ni pure jadi dia Kamu ni yang bersoka untuk PDP MK sudah install di dapur di YKG MK kam tam hejini to waktu kurek di YKG dan kamu jo on betul iwan kita MBR ini hejini toy hejo ikore ini hejini to dan itu dah apa untuk itu Kena school, kiwa daulaj ha, pidang sedang ki, yang kita jin ini yo. Terus nyau ka approve MKM hok, yang ini gadget kiwa kesorka ini.
Pada kitu ki Khubor ni lapoi syuk bakut, tak hadu bangin daya syambiang, kublai syubun.